President Trump just slapped a huge 36% tariff on everything Thailand exports to the United States. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what's happening and what goods are particularly being hit and how it affects people like you and me both living in the United States and in Thailand. So let's break it down. As of today, July 8th, 2025, Trump just announced a 36% tariff on all Thai imports into the United States. That means every single product that's made in Thailand and shipped to the United States will be affected. It has been announced that it's officially going to start on August 1st, and it's not just targeting one industry, it literally affects everything. So what kind of products are actually being affected? Well, you might have the impression that China produces everything and Thailand is barely a manufacturer and really doesn't export that much. Well, that's actually not the case. Everything from electronics, auto parts, clothing and shoes, rubber, gloves. So if you buy anything that has rubber in it, that's gonna go up because Thailand is the #1 rubber producer in the world, and other things like furniture and homeware and food like rice, fruit snacks, dried mango, seafood, etc. So this is a huge category of stuff that is typically purchased as a United States consumer. These are normal household objects that are going to be more expensive. So it's not just things like Thai food or Thai souvenirs, like these are household products that are going to be more expensive because this 36% tariff gets passed down from the importer to the distributor to you, the customer. And you might just stop seeing your favorite Thai brands or Thai snacks or Thai food disappear from the shelves, worst case scenario. So that's how it affects people in the United States. Now let's focus on how this affects people living in Thailand. Now let's just go over the facts right here. The United States is Thailand's #1 export customer with over $55 billion in goods sent to America last year. So this inevitably means that a lot of factory workers will be laid off in electronics, apparel, and auto parts, farmers losing in the market for things like rice and mango and seafood, etc. And this will heavily affect rurals and local provinces. And because Thailand's economy depends heavily on exports, this tariff could shave off 1% or more from the national GDP. So why exactly is this happening? It's part of Trump's new reciprocal tariff campaign where he claims America is being taken advantage of by countries that tax US products while we let theirs in freely. And Thailand, according to Trump, is one of those countries. So the idea of Trump's reciprocal tariff campaign is that if you charge us 30% to send our goods into your country, we'll charge you the same. And in some cases, he's not wrong. Thailand has high tariffs on US poultry, on cars, and alcohol. So he's using this tariff as a leverage to force open Thailand's markets to pressure them to buy more American-made goods and maybe even push for them to make factories in the United States. But the downside is both countries, and especially normal citizens like you and me, are going to be affected the most. So what is Thailand doing about this? They're considering offering deals like lowering tariffs on US imports, buying more US made goods, and opening their markets to balance out the trade deficit. So that's everything you need to know about this recent news. Like always, if you're interested in finding remote work so you can work from home, work from abroad, and travel or potentially relocate, then hit the free resource down in the link in the description below. And follow me on Instagram at I'm Paul Lee, and I'll see you guys in the next video.